Our mission at Deutsche Telekom MMS is to take our customers forward on their digital journey. With a clear focus on selected industries, we develop end-to-end experiences along the entire employee and customer journey, which go beyond digital. We translate digital trends and future technologies into real competitive advantages. And with tailor-made solutions, we enable our customers to implement and use them day by day efficiently. Digitalization is about changing existing processes and workflows, but as well as using new technologies. And one of this is virtual reality. For us, a dimension of extended reality. In this field, we have been developing solutions since 2010 already. And we have used Glue for more than 2 years now. And it is amazing how natural communication in VR feels with this. Working in VR has totally changed the way we work internally with our colleagues, as well as with our customers day by day. We use Glue in multiple different ways. Internal workshops, as well as prototyping sessions with our designers, are part of our daily operations. Therefore, we have designed, together with the Glue team, custom spaces that really matches our needs. We have generated our own MMS Campus, or a digital twin of the headquarters of Deutsche Telekom. For our customer requirements, we also generated various approaches for workshops, and we implement training scenarios specifically for their needs. The possibilities seem endless, from islands to workshop spaces. For us at Deutsche Telekom MMS, it is important to understand our customer needs and support our customer in every possible way. VR technologies are evolving at an amazing speed, and we want to be leading edge with our customers. With support from Glue, we can be there together.